Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. This is now my 4th day in a row, I think, doing it. But as long as this one remains just absolutely insane like it's been, I'll keep the chart updated. So once again, a powerful day, but a pretty crazy day. There was a halt early on, and then the price came roaring back. So we'll get, into all that. But first I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains, but not really relevant. So from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First thing, though, I got to note, and this is not patting myself on the back, but this is definitely patting charts on the back, is during this segment of the day right here where the price literally collapsed, and there was a trading halt in here because the action started to collapse so fast. And then look right where the price initially bottomed out. Not initially, it did bottom out right there. And I promise you, I have not moved that green line. If you don't believe me, that's totally fine. You can just go back in the video archives and watch the video from yesterday. And I drew that green line right there. Again, not patting myself on the back, but just patting charts on the back. And why I laugh at people and say, oh, charts don't work. Well, if you know how to use them, they have their uses. And right here, during that crazy pullback, after the halt, like I was saying, all that stuff, happened to find support right down near that green line. And then from there, it just came absolutely roaring back. And, definitely roasted some shorts on that move right there. So, case in point, right around this 1625 area, give or take, definitely a level of support. And then the next update that comes about is just based on a foundational principle in charts, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So, $19 was a level of, or really $18.85 was a level of resistance going into today. You would now expect this to see act as support, and actually acted as support a couple of times right there on the back test. I am going to get rid of that green line now there. That served a purpose of kind of showing the example. Near term, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above $24.25, that would make the chart look the strongest. But from the big picture perspective, it's all about the purple line right there, 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price is up above that purple line, then from the big picture of things, the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best picture that. In regards to levels of resistance, let's talk about a couple of these real quick. And I'm just going to focus on one for the time being, and that level is right up here at, we'll call it $29.50. I realize the price did technically go up a little bit there, but I'm going to call that the true level of resistance, meaning get a good solid high volume break of $29.50. Then in my opinion, it's got a really high chance of going up there and, if not testing those highs, breaking up above them. So once again, exciting day. Lots of people watching it, myself included, traded it. So we'll see how it all unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So while if that sounds like it could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.